In this problem, it says a computer chip 0.32 centimeters thick is made up of layers of silicon. If the top and bottom layers are each 0.03 centimeters thick and the inner layers are each 0.02 centimeters thick, how many inner layers are there? Okay, so this represents all the layers of very thin silicon. And it says the top is 0.03. So let's say that this is a side view if we blew it up really big. So this right here is the top, which is 0.03. And let's say this is the bottom, which is also 0.03. Now the middle is made up of a bunch of layers. The question is, how much is there? So what we have to do is we have to take 0.32 and subtract 0.03 and subtract it twice, because you have it for the top and the bottom. All right. So the middle is 0.26, but it says the inner layers are each 0.2 centimeters thick. So the question is, how many layers at 0.2 centimeters are going to take to make 20.26? So to answer that, we take 0.26 and divide by 0.02. And we get 13. So there are 13 layers that make up the middle. And then you have the top and the bottom. Now you have to read the question very carefully. How many inner layers are there? So that means we want 13. Now another way you might make this a little bit easier is take all these numbers and move all the decimal points over 2 places. So we read this as a computer chip is 32 centimeters thick. The top and bottom layers are each 3 centimeters thick, and the inner layers are each 2 centimeters thick. How many inner layers are there? The answer would still be the same, even if you moved all the decimals over.